In part 13, I was working on a foot, so let's make it look better before I continue because right now it looks weird. And part of the reason why it looks weird is because of this. So right now the topology is suggesting 2, but I want 3 instead. So let me just get rid of this and select this whole thing and then face and then grid fill. And I want to click this. If it looks like this or that or this or something, I want to turn it. So now it's what I want, except for now the front of foot is being weird. So let me actually get rid of this right now as delete the edge loop so that I can actually adjust this better. So let's do this, rotate some, and let's see. Or I can just do this. Let me actually delete these. Well, these are the vertices. Okay, I thought I'd do something. Now, same thing is that I'm actually going to do his face. Or can I do this? Nope, can't do that. I have to get the face first. So, let's do that. And now I should do it. Like that. Okay, so now let's do that again. And extrude out. Okay, it's a lot better. So I could just do this. Actually, I want to do this. Go to view again. X twice. And now I can do this. And of course we do this. Oh. Wonder why it's not working. Oh. I need to go to global for this. Okay. Go down. And put it over here. Well, don't think I want that flat. Let me put it back up some. Okay, so before I continue, I need to do this. Well, one thing is this right here. Is it good? Yeah, so this right here is actually it's too close together, so I have to do this. I'll just S and then Shift Z to make it so it scales everything but the Z-axis. And now it's kind of what I want, but now I need to do this because right now it's kind of weird. I want it individuals this time. Okay, scale it bigger. Okay, and another thing I need to use this. Pull it back some. There you go. Also, I want to do this too. Okay, so now I want to put this back. Actually, no, I need this first. I want to go back to here. Alt S. Yeah, something like that. Now, another thing is, a lot of people like to have the vertically flat at the bottom. Well, I don't want that because it doesn't look as good. So I'm going to do this instead. I'm actually going to pull it down some. Yeah, that worked. And I guess these you go up a little bit too. Wait. Yeah. Actually, I just want to do this one. Nope. Okay, and now I can put this loop back. I don't want that. What I can do instead is Control Alt and then click on this and then subdivide and see if I can get that job. Yep, that's what I want. Except I don't want it like that, I want it like this. Well, I want to make it a little flatter. Okay, so... Oh, that's not right. Okay, so I think that's good to go. So now let me just do this. And I'll save it. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. Get rid of these faces first. And also I want to do this too. That's because I noticed that this is like too flat over here. Actually, let me just try this. Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, pour it up like this. And I guess I can pour this up too. Actually, I'll just do this. Rotate it, and then something like this. Yeah, that one. How's that? Okay, I mean, oh, I wonder why it's doing that. Oh well. You know what? I'll worry about it later though, because right now I need to get back to this. So, remember that thing I duplicated from the finger before I made it look like a finger instead of just some like sphere thing? Well, that's what this is for. So if I go back down to here, yeah, so you can do the same thing for toes as I did for the fingers, but instead of doing that whole thing again, I'm just going to copy this. Plus, I like how big and round it is. So, put it right here. Let's see, rotate something like that. And then I'm also going to do this. Take these right here. Now these two will match because, see, look down here, 6, 6, and then because I've doubled them, 12, 12. So it works. So let me just go over here and go to bridge edge loops. Now, of course, I also need this too. So here, I'll be back. Okay, so let me do this. So I'm actually going to do these faces, like so, and select this big toe right here, well, at least the middle one. Push in some, like that. And now I'm going to duplicate these again. Okay, just like the fingers, I'm going to position these things, and don't worry if it overlaps. I mean, I like it that way. At least in this case, I do. So, rotate it again. I mean, rotate this but in obstruction. And then do this. So I have voice crack sometimes. I don't know how to get rid of it. Anyways, let's just do this. Actually, I need this too. No, not that. Actually, I just do this first though. So I'll select that one loop right there. And then this one. And of course, you know drill, bridge edge loops. Same over here. Okay, so now I can do this. That's the problem with your foot though, is that a lot of times arms and head gets in the way. So it becomes to the problem of height, but right now I'm not going to. Instead I'm going to fix this problem because right now, yeah, it's looking kind of weird over there. Nope, not that one. No, there you go. Okay, let's see if I can do, I'll just do this. I'll just smooth vertices. That works. But now it needs to be right over here. And of course, let's see, can I do this? Yeah, I can do that. Oh, let me just do this first. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this out like so. And of course, there's something I have to do too. Something I should have done earlier. Put these here. It's just like more flexibility or something. Let's see, did I do it here too? Yeah. Okay, so if I got edit mode. Okay. Yeah, not too bad actually. Although, let me actually do this. It's a bit too, like it's not as wide as I like it to, so let me just fix that. So I'll have to go into here, go to view, and then do X, and then there you go. Yeah, it looks better now. But I also want to do this too. Let's see if I do that. Yeah. Okay, so I got his feet kind of down. So now let me just get out of this. And yeah, that's what it looks like so far. Let me say this first. Okay, so now let me actually do this because I'm looking at this and that looks weird. Okay, I'm already like 10 minutes, so I'm gonna try to hurry this up before I end this part. So let's see if I can do this. No, actually yes, that's right. There you go. That's kind of better. Or is it? Yeah, I mean, this part is better, but this part, I'll have to fix that. So can I do this? Here, I'll go to edge this time, and then see if I can get that ironed out. Let's see, smooth vertices. I don't know if I want that. Whatever. Don't have much time right now, so. Oh, I wonder if it's because of this. Here, let me select this and hide it. And then select this one, Control I to select everything that, the inverse I mean, and hide it. Oh, what the heck? Here, let me hide this too. Try it again. Nope, don't press O. Okay, yeah, I can see what it looks like. That looks very weird. So, let me go and fix that. Let's see. I guess, but I want to do this too. Let's try to smooth it. And that actually kind of works. Okay, whatever. I am going to have to do this. Alt S. I want to do this one. Rotate some. Is that going to make it better? Okay, I give up. I'll see you in part 15. Let me just get out of here first. And then I'll save it. And I'll see you then.